So guys, Siyazwane here is explaining how he was treated on his first training session with Mamelodi Sundowns, how the coach embarrassed him, his former coach Pitso Mosimane, guys, moving from Golden Arrows to Mamelodi Sundowns. How was his first training session with Mamelodi Sundowns? So guys, he reveals this on Diskishandis, the one that is podcasted by the former Kaizer Chiefs player Jabupule Bafethu. So lana uSiya explain ukuthi what happened, umphethe kanjani umjida nge-training session yakhe yokuqala. Here's the video, guys.
Everything was nice and this what happened. So mfethu mina ngisiphathele ibhutheli 1 because like for me Arrows I would survive with the ibhutheli 1. Yeah, ngiphathele that one boot because kuma Arrows I know I don't need to carry 2 boots make it gym. What for? Because I'm only gonna use one boot. Yeah. So we started training. So I was wearing these boots. I bought 6 iron and 6 rub.
Oh yeah.
You are tattling in the marsh and
Yeah.
I'm totally with funny and what? You are fast.
Yeah.
Jimmy, out. Yawo ithi esikhathi sophuma so mengigijima sengiyalimala eqakale ngizama ukubekezela. The reason why ngibekezela is because sekimzulu uPitso uyathetha sengiyasaba ukobika ukuthi hey don't
Akachoose bafethu ukuthi uPitso engadlanga ngesiphansi sakhe mfethu. The way he was so strict.
Yo. Hey.
And then it comes to a point whereby manje i-eclampsy akisona hayi ngimqondo
Awundoda.
Yeah, ngimqondo ngithi hayi no coach I have a problem ama lokhuzana hey guy but created drama out of nothing.
What? Hey, ngathi ngiyambona Joe.
Yeah, wait. Come.
Yeah.
Hey,
Sekabuza umuntu.
Yeah, wonke amajita afike. Bathi no, tell the guys this very same thing you were telling me.
Hayibo.
Hey, ayekile.
Stay. Unamanga bra.
Ngitsheleka amajita uthi hayi bafesi no problem. Yalo, kwenze kanje. Hey, Sanda. Hey, this is not Lemon Full Golden Arrows. We're not fighting relegation. We win cups here. Hey, labo nje shafu lapho ngibheke phansi. Angisazi ngizothini. Embarrassed man. Hey, look at me when I'm speaking to you. Hey, I look at you. You know now, we don't go and buy a boxer. You buy Tulux now. Yeah? Therefore, tell him how many boots you are carrying. He said, no, coach, I carry 2. Abuza, Maji, don't come up this carrying 2.
For more videos, guys, can you please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share the video, guys, and don't forget to comment. I'd love to hear your reviews, guys. I'd love to hear your opinions, guys, in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload another video.